welcome back to another episode where this time things don't go quite to plan and we end up heading home on a trailer.
We are currently out at Kenilworth. We're staying at Comeback Camping. It is very nice. It's a bit chilly. The plan today is to go check out the state forests. I think Jack is finally awake. Oh, good morning!
Matt set off from camp and Jack has issues starting his car, so we'll film it for him. Kill it!
Stop, Jack! Push him!
Holy. Okay, you need to seriously get that fixed.
What's the plan for today, Captain?
We're heading into Kenilworth now, and then we'll see if we go on some tracks or something. Not sure.
It's very overcast today. Oh, blue sky.
What's happening, Jack?
Cars squeaking, so we're identifying the squeak.
That's right, just let him know.
Pages, you know it.
That sounds great. And then you get another one if you go over here.
I think I bent a leaf or something the wrong way.
I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing. All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. I know it's tough. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon dash. Sharp as many, but got hard, I'm ready to change. Scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing. All here for the taking.
At a bit of a steep section. We've got Jack coming up here now, so yeah, Josh just went up. Bit of a rocky bit there, bit of rocky bits there. Jack's just on a bit smaller tyres, so we'll see how he goes. Left, left, left. Give it some. Oh, you want a line? Just calm down. You're not going to roll it. It's getting intense. You're right. Go that way. Yep. Look at the sand coming out.
Oh, that's not a good sound to start. You flicked a rock out the back.
You fell! Alright, so we've been here for all of 5 minutes. We literally just put the tyres pressures down and Ben has now done his rear diff on one small hill. So that is the end of our 4-drive weekend. I hope you enjoyed this video, but unfortunately I have no more 4-drive footage for you because it's over. So now that means he needs a new rear diff and excitingly, he's going to become twin locked. Josh, are you the chock, the wheel chock?
So, Jack's not a 4-wheel driver for the trip. Ben's got a broken 4-wheel drive for the trip. And the Land Cruiser, as always, is the most
are you kidding?
Drove the track the easiest, is the most reliable car, as always.
So Ben's just taken the drive shaft out. I think the plan is to go into Kenilworth now, go to the market, go to the bakery. Ben's going to see if any wreckers have a diff. Here we are, still on the side of the road, trying to fix Benjamin's car. Poor Gregory. And we are on the road again, just minus a drive shaft.
Rear diff.
And rear diff, yes. So yeah, that's the end of our 4 driving adventures for this weekend. How do you feel?
Annoyed I have to now find a rear diff.
But what's exciting?
I'll probably put a rear locker in if it's not the whole thing that's blown.
Alright, so here we are. Steve has come to rescue us.
This is more of a YouTube, you know those YouTube shorts now? This is good morning from the Instagram reel, for Slack's Instagram reel. So last part of the video you saw Ben's car brake. Next one, we're going home. All strapped up. Anyway, so.
Do you remember where we are this time?
Yeah, in Kenilworth this time. The plan today, they take off. Gonna go buy a 1 kilo donut and maybe a pie from the bakery. And
Are you actually gonna get the 1 kilo one?
if they have it, yeah.
No, he's good. Yep.
Here we are, we're back in the driveway now. Got the big rig back home. Long time to get home, but that was alright. Just started pulling everything apart. Just draining the oil out of the diff now. So we'll get the axles out, both wheel sides off, pull the centre out and see what the issue is. But by the seams of it, it might have been the centre, like the actual centre itself that's gone, and hopefully not the gear and the pinion or whatever you call it, because that'll be a bit more expensive, but let's see. I'm just going to go around and crack all the nuts on the inside here. Just get all the axle studs out. Still draining a little bit of oil in there. And then we'll take the wheel nuts off, or crack the wheel nuts, lift the car up, take the wheels off, and then once we've got the axles out, pulling apart the diff centre. Get that bad boy out. So taking the old diff centre out now. Sort of lost it on GoPro, but yeah, we used the jack to get it down. So the old one I can see wrong with it is that the teeth inside the limited slip have all shorn off, so they're all in here, which is great. So hopefully it'll be a trip to ARB and we'll have twin locked, which is exciting. Expensive, but exciting. But yeah, we'll chat to the fellas tomorrow and find out what the go is. So it's been a few days now. We've got the new air locker. It's already been installed in the diff, so I did get someone professional to put that one in. Just not too keen on pulling apart the bearings and things in case there's other bits. which ended up needing a new pinion bearing and pinion seal since the old one had bits of metal and things through it from where the LSD exploded. But I was just going to pull apart the LSD, which is in this box here today, have a look and show you a bit about the air locker. The bulk of it that you get with the air locker is this part here. So you need to have your crown wheel in good condition if you're doing what I've done and blowing the LSD on it. Same with your pinion gear, which is the swirly looking one there. If they are in bad condition, they're not going to be able to get fitted up to the new locker, and then you're never going to have. You're going to need to buy a whole new centre. Main things that they have to do when the diff is being installed, setting the preload, the backlash on the bearing itself. Other thing that they have to do, which sounds a bit scary to me, is chucking in this outlet for the air. So they have to drill in a hole, run this air line, this copper tube here, from the activation on the locker round to the front, where it gets plumbed up into the air line. So I'll be running the compressor in the car. I've already got it for the front diff, which is already installed. I'll just need to chuck it in for the rear one. Main thing, I'll be pulling apart the old one, which is in here. See, so the bits of metal, this is all what's come out of the diff. So not very great. That's what's gone through the bearings on the other diff. These little bits of metal go in there. Don't end up very well. Yeah, we'll get this new one out. So this is the old centre that's exploded, mainly in these gears in here. So the LSD side of it, which isn't renowned for apparently blowing them. But we'll pop the top off and have a look inside, see what we can find. Few snap bits already. I think these are the shims for the bearings. And here we go. So this is where it's missing all its teeth off there. More missing teeth. So something's really let go in there. That's alright. It's not too bad, but still it's... You can see where all the teeth have gone. Based on looking at this, it would have kept running if you were driving it. I didn't want to take that risk, so that's why we ended up putting it up in the trailer. But it wouldn't be worth it. So something could have very easily, if we lost more teeth off of these, could have been a dangerous situation, locking up the car or causing more and more damage to the diff, which may not mean that we'd be able to run that diff at all in the car. So got away with it, got the crown wheel, everything's still on there. Mainly just need a new pinion bearing and pinion seal. So they're all nice and replaced now. Which is going to keep it running nice and smooth. But yeah. Now another day, finally got those seals in that I've been waiting for. So I can get these bad boys. I'm just going to chuck the new ones in the diff. Hopefully we can get this diff center back in this afternoon and get the car on the road again. That'll be great. Getting a bit distracted with some other projects on the go at the moment. Finally getting the car all sorted. Today I'm just going to finish off the airline. I ran it the other week, so I'll show you where I've run it down on the back. But pretty much it's coming straight off the diff on the other side there, and following the brake lines up there. So now let's just put the valve in. Switch is already wired in. Press the on button and we're good to go. That'll finish off the locker install, and then the car's 100% back to running good. It's just to put this in, plug the wire in, then we're all done. Real simple with the ARB lockers. You just, once you have the compressor already installed, which I did when I installed the front locker, it's just simple as plugging in the air compressor and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and tune in next time to see what we get up to.